Welcome to Picante Fresh Mexican Grill. We are making enchiladas. For the enchiladas, we use a corn tortilla. Is the one we have here. We just heat it up a little bit in a plancha with a little oil. Just a little touch the oil like this, we can get a little soft. And then we have the chicken, cherry chicken. The one is made with a chipotle sauce. So we make it by order, like this is fresh. Let it cook. And we cover with a fresh tomatillo salsa verde. And like you see, we roll it to make like a taco one. Wait, and then we put more sauce in the top. This sauce is made with tomatillo sauce, jalapeno, onions, garlic. It's one of those fresh, beautiful salsas we have. And then we put jack cheese in the top. And then we put it in the oven for a couple minutes to melt the cheese. Two corn tortillas, seasoning with a chipotle chicken, cherry chicken. We put a tomatillo sauce, and then we serve it with rice and beans and chips. Sour cream. That's